Hi, hello. So, how do you do? Okay, so I hope everyone is doing fine in their home and studying well, of course. Now, today we will have the continuation of our lesson last time. Anyway, this is Teacher M or Teacher Marlyn your English subject teacher. So let's proceed to our lesson, which is all about the parts of the body, part 2. One more time, parts of the body. Our vocabulary, so we have still the head, head, eyes, eyes, ears, ears, nose, nose, mouth, mouth, shoulders, shoulders, hands, hands, knees, knees, legs, legs, feet, feet. And then we will try to recall and say. So we have to say the word. And then as much as possible, we could able to point it out in our own body still. So here it is. This one is our head. Okay, let's touch our head. Okay, another one, another part or parts, we have the ears. Ears. Next, nose. Nose. Then we have mouth. Mouth. Then we have the shoulders. Shoulders. Hands. Show up your hands. Okay, hands. Then we have the eyes. Eyes. Knees. Touch your knees. Where are your knees? Then we have the legs. Legs. What is it? They are the feet. Feet. And the next thing that we're going to do is to point it out in our whole body. Okay, so let's do it. Here is the body parts or the whole body. And we're going to point them all. So we have here the body parts and we will try to point where are those parts. Are you ready? Okay, so let's try to do it. So let's start with our head. Okay, where is the head? Can you point it out? You got it. So head is here. What about our eyes? So where are the eyes? Let me point it out first. Why I cannot see it? Wait. Okay, so we have the eyes. Can you point them? Okay, so we have our eyes here and another one on the other side. So here it is. Okay, so we have the eyes. And then we have the ears. Where are our ears? Point them. Okay, let's do it. One. And then we have another one there on the other side. Okay, we have 2 ears. Another part, we have the nose. So where is the nose? Yes, the nose is here. Okay, then we have the hands. So where are the hands? Let's point them together. We have 1 and then We have two. Okay, so the two hands. How about the knees? Point the knees. We have one. Okay, where is it? Let's point it. One and two on the other side of the body. How about the mouth? Where is the mouth? Mouth, can you point it out? Okay, so we have here the mouth. And then, how about our shoulders? Point the shoulders. Where are the shoulders? Okay, let's do it. One, and then two. How about now the legs? Where are the legs? Let's do it. Point it. Okay, one, and we have two. And the last one, we have the feet. Where are the feet? It now. One, and then two. So we have 2 feet. So things are the parts of our body. Now we will try to speak. So you're going to do it with teacher. I'll ask the question, what is this? And then you will answer the sentence with this, or answer it with this kind of sentence. This is my head. Okay, so let's answer together. This is my head. Okay, and the translation. Next question. How many head do you have? How many head do we have? Okay, of course, let's count it. We have 1. Okay, let's say this sentence together. I have 1 head. One more time. I have 1 head. Okay, and the translation. So here. Next. What are these? So what are these? As indicated by the arrows. Okay, you got it. So let's say the sentence. These are my eyes. One more time. These are my eyes. And the translation is here. Next, I'll ask about the number. How many eyes do you have? How many eyes do you have? Let's count it. 1, 2. How many? Yes, we have 2 eyes. So let's say this sentence together. I have 2 eyes. One more time. I have 2 eyes. And the translation. Okay, so let's proceed to the next part. What are these? So what are these? As indicated by the arrows? Yes. So let's say it. These are my ears. One more time. These are my ears. And the translation. Then, about the number, how many ears do you have? How many ears do you have? Let's count it. 1. Then we have 2. How many? 2 ears. So let's say the sentence together. I have 2 ears. One more time. I have 2 ears. And the translation. Okay, let's go on. What are these? What are these? Correct. These are my shoulders. Let's say it one more time. These are my shoulders. And the translation, then, how many shoulders do you have? How many shoulders? Let's count it together. 1, 2. How many? Yes, we have 2 shoulders. Let's say the sentence. I have 2 shoulders. I have 2 shoulders. Okay, and then the translation. Another part. What are these? What are these? Yes, these are hands. Let's say the sentence. These are my hands. One more time. These are my hands. And the translation. Next. How many hands do you have? How many hands do you have? Let's count it. 1, 2. How many hands? Yes, we have 2 hands. Let's say this sentence. I have 2 hands. One more time. I have 2 hands. And the translation, another part, we have, okay, so let me ask the question again. What are these? What are these? As indicated by the arrows, these are, okay, let's say it together. These are my feet. One more time. These are my feet. And the translation. Next. How many feet do you have? How many feet do you have? Okay, let's count it together. We have 1, and then we have 2. How many? 2 feet. So let's say the sentence together. I have 2 feet. One more time. I have 2 feet. And the translation also is here. So that would be all for today. I hope you learned further from our lesson about the body parts, and you could also answer if ever somebody asks you about those parts, okay? So this is Teacher M again saying thank you everyone, and